Hello student, welcome to the online tutorial session. As you can see, I have written already that today's topic is that how to create drop cap in Microsoft Word. Before going into the particular details, okay, so we will discuss about it, that is what is known as the drop cap, and then I will describe you the steps so that we can follow this to make a drop cap. Okay, so what is a drop cap? A drop cap is a specially formatted letter that appears at the beginning of the paragraph. Okay, so it is clear that drop cap is a specially formatted letter because we can apply drop cap only on the single letter, we cannot apply on the multiple letter. So it's a formatted letter, and this is only being appeared in the beginning of a paragraph, not at the end of the paragraph or the middle of the paragraph or anywhere. So at the beginning, because we want the very first letter to be described as a drop cap one. So first letter we can make it a drop cap one. Okay, so in case of MS Word, Word is offered two styles of drop cap. Okay, one you have one options will be there dropped, another one is the in margin one. Okay, dropped means that it will drop 2-3 lines and show the first letter will be like this, and in margin like this, that after showing the drop letter, then from the left right side there's some marginal is there, from then only after giving some gap or something, then from the left orientation, left and indentation, they will start writing this one. So there are two styles options are there. I will show you both the style options and how the output will be look like this when you choose the different style options. Okay, so the first and the most common begins the paragraph with a large letter that spills down into the text. Okay, so thus the drop cap moves the first few lines in the paragraph, as it is look like in bigger format, so we have to the drop cap need to spills down some texts. Okay, so one more thing is that what should be the procedure. So which word you want to make it a drop cap, then we have to first of all choose that particular letter. Again I am repeating only the letter. Okay, so the first you will choose on the letter, and then you have to go to the insert tab for this reason, and then under the insert tab there is an option, it is a drop cap is there. You will choose the drop cap option and the drop cap list will be opening. There are three options is coming, dropped and margin, and apart from this there is a drop cap option is there. Okay, so if you this is available for the customization of your drop cap. So if you click on over it, then you can do the customization depending upon your choice, that how many line you want to drop, okay, how much space you want to give between the words, it is depend upon you. So you can choose it in this way. I hope it is clear. Now let's start with the demonstration part. So you're able to see the example of a drop cap over here. So we will start the procedure that how to create a drop cap over here, and also that how to add the extra customization to the drop cap, like font color, the background color, and the drop shadow. Okay, so this will be this operations or these steps will be valid for Word Microsoft 365, Word 2009, Word 2016, Word 2013, 2010, as well as 2007 also. Okay, so let's start with it, that is how to create a drop cap over here. Okay, so you're able to see the text over here. Okay, so the word theme is there, so I want the first word, that is theme T, I want to make a drop cap. So where you have to go, you have to go to the insert tab, then there is a drop cap option is there. So there is a none option is there. If you click on none, then normally there will be no changes. Then there is another option that is known as dropped. If you click drop, then the first letter will be dropped like this. Okay, and next there is an in margin option is there. It will display the output like this. Then there is a drop cap options are there. Okay, so it will be depending upon your choice. You can give the how much space you require or not in this way. Okay, so position you want, none position is same like this, and then there is a dropped options is there and in margin options. So under this, the font, which kind of a font you want, you select it first. Then there is a lines of drop. It means how many lines you want to drop it. Okay, so like 3 lines or 4 lines like this. So you will give the value over here, at least 2 or 3 like in this way. Okay, the next part that is showing the distance. This means from the particular drop cap how much distance is there to start the new line. So this is the distance is being maintained over here, and then we can click on OK options. Okay, so as soon as you click on the OK option, you are able to see the letter. Okay, so the changes are there. Okay, so now we will do the customization part. You can do, and also you can make it other word as a drop cap also. So the procedure is same. Again, you can go for the options. Option will be there. You choose from the value, maintaining the cap. It will done. Okay, so now how to add the extra customizations into the drop cap, that we will show. Okay, so to give the extra customization, that the first thing is that we have to select the word that we want for the customization. So selection has been done. Now we will again move to the home tab options. Okay, so home tab option we move, and there is a color is there, theme colors that is there. Automatically it will shown as black. Then there is a optional colors is there. You can choose it from here, and otherwise there is a more color options is there. There is a different color grid is available. So customize, you can customize your color as well. So after customization of your color, that is a custom, under the custom part, you customize your color, then click OK. It will be low, it will be come here. Okay, then there is a gradient options is also available over here, so that you can choose for the gradient one. Okay, and now the next is that is a different color, different outline, shades, reflection, glow. Okay, number, style. Okay, that is there, options are there. So you have to choose any one from this. Okay, so and keep on changing the selecting the style. You can keep changing the options, whatever you feel like, which one you prefer. You can choose for this particular options. Like I have chosen for this one, so it will display like this. Okay, so it will be outline is coming. Okay, with the blue, black and blue outline it is coming. It will look like here is another thematic color is present, that is field, and under the paragraph option is there. Okay, so here is also the more color option is also available. Okay, so you can click more color options also, and you can go for the field background color, that is the background part of the particular word will be filled with this particular color. That can be also possible by using these options. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Thank you, student.